So the first thing I want to do is take some witch hazel and I'm going to clean the area. And what I have here is my thinner and glue. What I'm doing is working from the center point outwards to put a little powder around the outside part. I'm going to take some of the thinner and a Q-tip and remove now all that extra glue. This is called prosthetic. And now I'm applying that to the appliance and slightly onto the skin so that's less absorbent. The next step is to put color on the piece to blend it into the rest of the skin. Because this is a wound, I need to work other tones into it now, so I'm going to start putting more reds into it. The next thing I need to do is put some highlights into it and just hitting it here and there around the wound. Anytime you have a major cut or hit or infection, it radiates out from that center point, so it's never just located there. I'm going to let that dry and I'm going to go on to the next part of the demonstration, which is using this material, which is the scar material. And I'm using the acetone and the palette knife to form the material into an old scar. Now, at this point, to finish it, usually you want to use blood. So it looks like dripping blood.